Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I'm Dr. Charles Huff, and at this point in my life, I'm 67, so I've had multiple injuries, car accidents, even go back to childhood and high school football and that whole thing. So I've got a limited range of motion in my low back. I can't go forward as far as I should be able to, and I don't have too many aches and pains, luckily, because I've had good care for 32 years. And
that's good. So how much pain and
very little.
Okay. So let me see your range of motion. Okay. And if you know certain motion that aggravate your symptoms, we want to do it as testing for now.
So extension
0 to 10.
Just a little bit, 1.
Okay.
And then forward flexion. Let's see.
So when you do forward flexion, have your feet together and just slide your arms down and see how far you can go down. That's
all right.
Right now. That's easier.
So let me just say for the rest of the people here, this is way better than it used to be. Remember before, and I had been treated after a car accident, and he would measure this, and I got about 13 inches. So now I'm down to here. So
okay. So how much pain do you feel, and where do you feel it?
I don't feel much pain, a little bit of tightness, and maybe a 1 on my low back, in my low back. And in my, certainly in my back here,
your glutes area?
Glutes, right and left, but it's better now after you worked on me before, but
that's good.
It's much better than it was, and I've been very compliant about my exercises.
That's good. So just forward flexion.
Forward flexion is just
do twisting left and right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Pretty good.
So let's So actually we did 10 more, and now you can touch your toes. That's awesome. How did that feel, Charles?
Fabulous.
Yeah, awesome. You look fantastic. When the last time did you touch your toes?
Oh, I was about 6.
Oh, so couple of years ago. All right, awesome. You look fantastic. Thank you so much. Oh, actually touching the floor, wow. How many repetitions you had so far?
Maybe.
Okay, but you're doing great. You're touching the floor.
At midnight, your wife is going to say, "Sweetheart, come to bed."
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't do that anymore.
That's awesome, fantastic. How is your back feel?
Well, it feels fantastic. I'm just stunned.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.